Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change avatar in Knives Out. To change your avatar in Knives Out, first of all, go ahead and launch open the Knives Out game on your device and wait for it to fully load to the main lobby screen. Once you end up in the lobby, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now here in this page, simply tap on your profile picture once again on the top left, and you will see your profile avatar on the screen. Tap on Change Avatar and then tap on Get More. Look for other avatars you'd like to add or change for your account. In Knives Out, changing your avatar typically requires purchasing specific in-game items. For this avatar that I've selected, I'm gonna have to spend 20,000 coins. So if you have enough coins, you can simply tap on the buy button and purchase the avatar, and it will be changed as your profile picture. And that is how you will be able to change your avatar on Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.